Hello everyone, this is Sara Aziz and my today's topic is miracle does happen. So I will start with a quote very famous that is miracle do happen with them who believe in that. So if I will start a debate on this topic that is not right because miracle is something that someone's belief. If someone is believing on something and called it miracle, it is for them, and I think that miracle that is not right. And what I think that miracle is, I will give an example of 2010 that a boy named age is 12 years and name was Rohan was swept in a Ganga river, and for after 1 week he found safe, and everyone believe that it is a miracle of Ganga river. So I also think that sometimes God do miracle for somebody, kind of external forces to help people in their need. Thank you so much.
So, hello Sarah, my question is as you give the example of Ma Ganga river, in what made you think that it happens with Rohan miracle that it saved his life?
I believe in miracle by this example because after if you swept in a river like a large river and you found after 1 week, you will be believe in miracle.
As you say that the example, the boy who found in the Ganga Ji after 1 week. So when someone got into the trouble, so he doing her effort to save it. So how can it's a miracle for him?
You will do your effort for 1 hour, for 1 day, for whole 1 day, but you cannot do hard work for 1 week. That is not.
Sarah, my second question is do really miracle make people believe towards faith of God, or yes or no?
Yes, I think so because a miracle happened by the God. Because you cannot do a miracle, you will only do your work and you will wait for the result. But God do miracle. That's why people believe in faith of God. Thank you.
I am Akshat and today's our topic is miracle does happen. So the miracle is only for that people who believes on them or not, because the people who not believes on miracles, so he forget to miracles happen, but the people who believes on miracles, so he believes the miracle happen, just like an example of river Ganga in our Hindu mythology. The people says that the Ganga towards the earth comes from the heaven, and as we say the example of our Lord Krishna of his Sudarshan Chakra in our Hindu mythology, the people says that the Sudarshan Chakra was led by the Lord Krishna. So I think that the miracle do happen because the people faith towards their God and towards their religion. So the miracle will happens on them and they believe on towards the God. And this example also shows that the miracles happens in the life of a people. Thank you.
Hello Akshat, I want to ask you a question that you mentioned that people miracle happen on the people belief. So the examples were set by the people's beliefs. So how do you think that it's upon people?
As you say that the people who faith in miracles, but I give the examples of a miracle is not the said by the peoples. It gives in the book of a Gita, and many religious people said to it that words. Thank you.
Hello, Chet. I giving you a question. As your per word, does the God do miracles?
Thank you for asking the question. As you say that, does God do miracles? So yes, does God do miracle with us? Because when we in the situation of trouble, so He help us to move on at their place. Thank you.
I want to ask you that atheists who do not believe in God, but God do miracle with them. So what do you think about that?
You say that does God do miracle with them who are not believe on them? So the work of the people he not believe towards their God. So it's not for their work, but they are the sons of a God, and God never want to do bad from them. But when the God saw in trouble, so he helped them and do the miracle with him. Thank you.